Are you tired of the long and sometimes risky? This video explores the benefits and concerns of childbirth using artificial wombs, or ectogenesis. Designed to revolutionize the way we think about reproduction and childbirth, Ectolife's artificial womb is a revolutionary new technology. In this groundbreaking device, the fetus is developed outside of the human body, potentially posing a safer and more efficient alternative to traditional pregnancy. This revolutionary method is called ectogenesis. While it has the potential to revolutionize pregnancy and childbirth, it also raises ethical and practical concerns. In this video, we'll be discussing both the potential benefits and concerns of using artificial wombs. When considering ectogenesis' future role in reproduction, it is important to understand the risks and benefits. Suppose you could shorten a 9-month pregnancy process to just a few weeks in a sterile, controlled environment. Let's look at the potential benefits of ectogenesis first. One of the main benefits of this technology is its ability to reduce pregnancy risks. Among women worldwide, complications during pregnancy and childbirth are the leading cause of death and disability. It may be possible for a woman to use ectogenesis if she cannot carry a pregnancy to term due to medical conditions or infertility. Also, same-sex couples and singles can have children. In addition, ectogenesis could extend human reproductive longevity. It is currently impossible for women to have children after a certain age, after which their fertility declines. Artificial wombs could extend the reproductive lifespan of women. Aside from increasing the reproductive lifespan, artificial wombs provide parents with access to many things they could never have imagined in the past. For example, parents can monitor the entire development of their babies. From talking to their babies to having a look at their growth, this app allows them to stay in the know. Besides allowing parents and babies to listen to different types of music, the entire process also relieves women of the burden of pregnancy. There are many concerns with this change. One concern is the cost. Ectogenesis is likely to be an expensive procedure, at least initially, and it's not clear who will have access to it. Would it be something that only the wealthy would be able to afford, or would it be accessible to everyone? Furthermore, ethical issues need to be examined. For example, what happens if the fetus in the artificial womb is found to have a genetic abnormality? Would it be terminated or would it have to be carried to term? AI identifies all genetic issues a baby may have at a very early age. It is good in a way because it can prompt parents to take cautionary measures in case there is some major problem, it presents a big if. These things need to be taken into account moving forward with this technology. It is also a concern about the psychological impact on the child born via ectogenesis. Children born via artificial wombs may have different experiences and developmental outcomes from those born traditionally. It is important to understand these questions before we can move forward with ectogenesis. Would they experience a sense of loneliness or disconnection, not having been conceived for 9 months in the womb? The use of artificial wombs could also be used for selective reproduction. To ensure that their child has particular characteristics, such as intelligence and physical ability, some people may choose to use technology. In this way, children may be selected based on their perceived value, rather than accepted and valued for who they are. Artificial wombs would also have to fit into existing laws and social norms. Would the person or couple who provided the egg and sperm be considered the legal parents, or would the person who gestated the fetus have parental rights? As the technology becomes more widely available, these questions must be addressed, as well as whether ectogenesis is safe for the child. Animal studies suggest that an artificial womb can grow a fetus to term, but it is not yet known if this can be done for humans. These are some of the potential benefits and concerns of using artificial wombs. More research and testing needs to be done to ensure ectogenesis is safe and viable. Even though ectogenesis has the potential to change the way we think about pregnancy and childbirth, many valid concerns remain. Before moving forward with this technology, we must take the time to fully understand the potential risks and benefits. We need to proceed with caution and carefully consider the potential risks and benefits of ectogenesis before we change how we think about pregnancy and childbirth. Although animal studies have made some progress, it's still too early to predict how ectogenesis will work in humans. The development of artificial wombs for human use is unlikely to be significant for several years. What is the future of ectogenesis? We don't know for sure, but it's clear that this technology could revolutionize the way we view pregnancy and childbirth. Although some experts predict that ectogenesis will become the primary method of reproduction in the future, others believe it will remain a niche option. Whatever the future holds, we must continue to investigate and understand the benefits and risks of ectogenesis. Only through careful research and consideration can we make informed decisions about this technology and its role in society. There are many debates and discussions about ectogenesis in the coming years, since it is a complex and controversial topic. It's important to remember that while ectogenesis has the potential to offer many benefits, it's also important to consider the potential risks and ethical concerns. Using ectogenesis as a reproductive control method has raised concerns. Governments and other organizations might use ectogenesis to limit population growth or restrict reproductive access, according to some. It is important to consider the risks associated with this technology, but it is also important to remember that ectogenesis can offer valuable options to families and individuals who cannot have children otherwise. Ectogenesis may affect traditional forms of reproduction and parenting as well. Would ectogenesis lead to the decline of traditional pregnancy and childbirth, or would it simply be an option for those interested? Are ectogenesis-born children less valuable or legitimate than those born in traditional ways? These are important questions we need to consider moving forward with this technology. However, despite these concerns, ectogenesis can also provide many benefits. Women who are unable to carry a pregnancy to term due to medical conditions or infertility may benefit from it, as could same-sex couples and singles who don't need to use a surrogate. In addition, ectogenesis may extend the human reproductive lifespan, allowing women to have children later in life. Overall, it is clear that ectogenesis has valid concerns and potential benefits. It's important to continue studying and understanding this technology as it develops and to approach it with caution and consideration. We hope this video has helped you understand more about the potential benefits and concerns of using artificial wombs.